MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This is another combinations of forex indicator used on MT4 platform and not on MetaTrader5. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy channel. I would like to show you how to use this simple strategy made up of few indicators that I've combined together to give us this winning strategy for MetaTrader4. Now let me show you how to use these indicators, and in the course of this video I will show you how to set it up, the setting for each of the indicator that I'm using for this particular strategy. The download link for this indicator is in the video description. Make sure you watch the video to the end to avoid asking me questions that I've answered in the course of the video, because most of the time I won't respond to every question I have answered in the video if you drop it in the comment section. And that's why you see I do not answer some question that was asked in the video comment box. Please make sure you watch the video to the end so that you won't ask me questions that I've answered in the video already. Having said that, let's move on. Now this is a simple winning strategy that I combine like 5 indicators together. We have like 3 arrows on the main chart, then on the indicator window I have 2 indicators also. So I'm going to show, I placed some trade few minutes ago, and I'm going to show you why I placed these 2 trade that I placed few minutes ago. And now let me show you this particular strategy why I placed this trade. Now you find out that we have this lime color arrow, and I have this blue arrow also, and the third arrow I have this white arrow. Once I see all these 3 arrows at the same point or around the same zone for pointing in the same direction, I will like to place trade in that particular direction. But I will not do that immediately. I have to look for the other indicator, the 2 indicators in the indicator window. So this one turned to green and this turned to white for a buy. So at this particular point it is good for me to place this particular trade, and that's why I place this trade at this particular point. So that's how I use this simple strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement, then you place your trade. You can use it on any time frame you want, either lower or higher time frame. This I place it on the 15-minute zone, and then my Euro USD I place that particular trade on 1 hour. And let me show you Euro USD why I place that trade also on 1 hour. Here is it on 1 hour. I have all the arrow present. I have all the arrow, the lime color, blue and white arrow pointing upward in the same direction. So, and when you look at the indicator window, the 2 indicators agree also. I have the lime color and the white color at this point. So I have all the indicators, the 5 indicators in agreement for a buy, and that was why I placed these 2 trade. And let's see how it goes. So this is how to use it. There's no any hidden secret about this strategy. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement. At this point we have the 3 indicators in agreement here, giving us a set signal at this particular point. We have all this indicator, the 3 indicators in agreement. Then at this point this confirm it, turn to red, and this turn to red also for a set. So this is a valid trade. And further that I have indicators on the chart that does not repeat, and that's why you have the lime color here. That's why the market didn't go in its direction. It did not repaint, rather we have another one here, and here is another white arrow also that give us accurate signal. Make sure you follow the simple rule. Just make sure all the 5 indicators are in agreement, then you can place your trade. So this is how I use it. And let me check my US30. The index is my favorite pairs. This is indices also, so you can trade this on lower time frame like 15 or 5 minute time frame. If you like also, you can trade it on 1 hour, but this is it on 15 minutes. So you can use this strategy either on 15 or on lower time frame. All depends on you. If you want to scalp, the rules still remain the same. Make sure you have everything in agreement. Like this point also, for a buy, I have this in agreement. All the 3 indicators, the line, blue, white, they are in agreement. So, and at this point we have the other indicators agree. So at this point we can place our trade. And here also we have all the arrow pointing the same direction, but this is where we have this in agreement, where we are going to place this particular trade for a set. So here we have the 3 arrow right now pointing down. This is the same arrow from the same indicator still pointing down. We do not have the other 2 indicators here for now, so this is not a valid trade for now. We are going to wait for the other 2 indicators to be in agreement before we pull the trigger. Now let me show you the setting for each of the indicator. Somebody requested that I should make video on how to use MABB band indicator, and that's why I added it to this particular strategy. And here is the setting that I use for MABB band. Just move shift is 12. Just pause the video and enter the detail and click OK. When you've set everything, just click OK. They added this ignition indicator, just this white and red color. That's what the ignition indicator is meant for. When I have red and everything is red, then I can place my trade for this. And once it is white and I have every other indicator in agreement, then I can place my trade. So that's why I added it. And I have these Fiji snippers, and I turn the other color to null. And the arrow, that's the arrow you see, this white arrow is meant for Fiji indicator, the white arrows. So, and let me show you the setting for this indicator. Just pause it. The TMA period is 56, the time frame is current. You can pause it and enter the values as we have it here. The current is, the time frame is current, TMA period. Just pause it and enter the details and click OK. Once you are done, then the other indicator here is TMM, the lime color indicator. This arrow is from TM55 indicator. This indicator, this arrow is for TM55 indicator. And let me show you the setting for this indicator. The half length is 40, then the time frame is current. Just enter it accordingly and click OK. Then the symbol changer, you don't need it. I've explained how to use it in most of my videos. And here is the advanced ADS indicator. This particular indicator, this is advanced ADS indicator, this indicator. Now the ADS period is 13, and that's the only thing you need to change there. And the colors, so the color I change it to green and red. And if you want to change to white, red and white, so that it will rhyme with everything we have, you can do the same thing. Just change the color here to white for a buy. So, and click OK. Then the last indicator here is the trend indicator, and here is the color also, white and red. You can change to any color you want, and these are the values. Just make sure you enter it. And this is all the indicator I use for this particular strategy. These are the indicators. You only place trade when all the indicators are in agreement. When all the indicators are in agreement, you can place your trade. Like here we have all the arrow present here, the blue line and the white arrow, and here we have everything agreement here, though we have a small pullback here, and we have another signal still pointing down and in agreement also at this point. So this is how you use this particular strategy. It is simple and you can use it on any time frame at all and any pair, but this is meant for MetaTrader4. And make sure you check Forex Factory for news before you place any trade, so that it won't work against your analysis. Make sure you check Forex Factory for news before you place your trade, and that's how to stay out of trouble trading forex. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Give me a thumb up if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. I saw some comments telling me they've not been able to download the indicator that is sending them to a spam website, but that is not totally true. I'm going to show you how to download from this particular website. This is where I host all my files. It makes it easy for me to access anywhere I am. This is a follow-up to my video. I saw some comments that the download link is not working. Let me check some of the comment. Oh, here is one. Here's one of the comments. Bro, is the indicator in your Telegram group that link not allow any download? It is taking me elsewhere. This is one comment, and I think I have few comments like that keep on telling me that this download link is not working, or they have not been able to download it. So I will try to show you how to do that right now, so that this new video is the same process you are going to follow. So I'm going to check and most time I tell people that the video is in this the download link is in the video description, but they don't check. This is how to check. Just come to more here. You are going to see so more. Just click on it and it's going to open up, and here is the download link. This is the download link for this particular video. Just click on it. I'm going to do that right now to show you how to use this particular link. Just click on it and it will take you to another page where you can download. Now here is the download page for this particular indicator that I shared, and you are going to see this countdown here from 45 seconds to 0. So you have to wait for like 45 seconds for you to be able to download this particular indicator. So if you don't want to wait, you can keep on doing other things and come back to download it. But let's wait for a few seconds and download this particular indicator. So it is not taking you to a spam website. It will take you directly to the download page, and you are going to see what is going to happen next. Now we have it right now. It's 0, and then now the download link appear. So you can click on the download link right now, but most likely it will take you to another page entirely, but you can close that page. Now let's practicalize it and see how it goes. So some people complain they've not been able to download it, but if you check here, it has been downloaded 254 times. It has been downloaded here. So people actually downloaded this particular indicator. So let's click on it right now and see. So it's open another page. You don't need this page. Just make sure you close it and click on it again. Now it is downloading, and here you have it right now. The indicator has been downloaded, and here is it right now. The indicator has been downloaded. So what you need to do is to extract the indicator and use it on your MT4. So there's no need for you to wait for long. Once you wait for 45 seconds, you are going to see the download link. The first time you click on it, it might want to take you to another page, but just close the new page and click on the download again. The second times you might click on it again, might want to take you to another page. The third time might want to take you to another, but just keep on closing it and come back to download. Sometimes it might be once, like the sample, like what we just did right now. It was once, and we downloaded it. So this is how to use it. I'm not directing you to a spam website. It is not in my nature to misinform you or to give you a wrong link, because some people are insinuating that I'm giving them a wrong link, that they've not been able to download it. No, it is not so. It's just that I do not know how to use this particular page to download what I've shared on my YouTube channel. So this is how to use it. And if you want to use this particular website to upload your file and keep it here, it is free also. You can do the same thing. I have an account on this particular website, but I'm going to make separate video on how to do that. Till I come your way again, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so. Like the video and give me that thumb up. Bye for now.